Hi, my name is Liat Peters.
And I'm Lisa. Oh, okay. Sorry.
That's okay. Should we say where we are? Hi, my name is Liat Peters. We're at Caruso's restaurant in Angola, Indiana. This is my sister,
Lisa Aldrich.
Come on in, we'll show you around. We are second generation owners of Caruso's restaurant that our parents started in 1976.
Our specialties are Italian food. We make everything from scratch, from our homemade meatballs and spaghetti sauce that was our grandmother's recipe, to all of our sauces and our pizza dough. We partner with local people like Lakeside Farms and Orland Miller Poultry for non-GMO proteins. We have no high fructose corn syrup in anything in our building, and that goes from the ketchup on your table to your bar mix to make your margarita.
Caruso's has a website at carusos-restaurant.com. We are also present on Facebook and Instagram. We post our specials on Instagram and Facebook, and our hours are on our website.
Bon appetit!